Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Buy Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, basically the home screen. And once you see it, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel or shortcut menu. And here we have different icons, as you can see. And one of the icons is this moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. The icon will change the color, it will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And also, I believe if you go back to watch face, it should be displayed on the watch face, but it's not. So the only way to tell if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled is by seeing the icon on the quick panel. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon. The icon will get back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. Another way to enable and disable the mode is through the settings. So if you press the side button, open the menu, scroll down, tap on settings, and here find the option called Do Not Disturb. You can tap on it. Come on. Okay, and we can turn on the mode by tapping on the switch and turn it off by tapping on the switch. But you can also enable the schedule for it. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically according to your liking. So if you enable the schedule option, tap on the check mark, you can then set the start time and end time. So let's tap on start, set the start time to something like, I don't know, maybe 11:30, like this, and the end time to something like 7:30. Okay, so once you set the start time and end time, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically on the hours you set. So for me, it will be turning on at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And of course, if you don't want to use the schedule anymore, you can disable it by tapping on the switch right here. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.